Power Station. The Fixers taking on the Slimeballz. Fixers look like they mean business.
Slim, trim, and ready to rock.
Yeah, they've had a different focus lately, too. We've been talking about the last couple times we've seen them. And they're all over the Slimeballz like a cheap suit.
And look, this is how they wanted to start things off, I'm sure, against Sage Chance, where there's a huge size advantage. Trying to keep Tommy Rand out of this match. Perhaps have a very short main event match here.
Well, to be honest, the Fixers have a size advantage over most teams.
That's true, but not as much as you over Sage.
But here's what's worth noting. When the Fixers were dominant there for a good year, right?
Oh, poke to the eye.
They established a new high in the tag division, of course, with other great teams. And then a lot of teams came in and kind of blew them out of the water for a while. They got focused, they're serious again, and I like where they're headed.
And you know, this has been such an action-packed episode of NWA Power. I did mention it at the very beginning of the show. We're going to have a huge announcement for the main event at Looks That Kill coming up in Dothan, Alabama. Is there anything you want to share about that yet?
You know, these days you got to choose your words very carefully. So I took the time earlier today to record what I wanted to say so it came across very clear and succinct. I was worried in this environment, this hyperbolic environment of the power station, the adrenaline flowing, that I might say something wrong. So at the conclusion of this match, we're going to throw to a package which is going to explain what I need to get across.
Yeah, stay tuned, ladies and gentlemen. After the bell, there's going to be a big message at the main event of Looks That Kill.
That was a big message delivered to the Slimeballz right there.
It was.
In the former Legursky. Look at brother. Woo. Here's Jay Bradley, old Brentwood Bradley. Looking trim, and he's been more focused too.
But look at that, able to pump the brakes, and I think him losing that weight was able to stop his own momentum a little easier.
Sage caught him. Here comes Tommy. The bigger of the two, but
Don't tell him that.
He was able to take Bradley off his feet, which was impressive, although he's right back to it.
Can't Tommy muscle up?
That ain't gonna happen, Daddy.
I like the Slimeballz. The kids like the Slimeballz. They're fun. They're sassy.
They sell a lot of shirts.
Hey, it's all good. But here's the thing. Can they hang with top-tier heavyweight tag competition? That's the difference maker. Woof. So far, so good, right? I mean,
yeah, but, you know.
I mean, they don't look outmatched in there.
No, but Jay Bradley's definitely having his way right now with Tommy Rand.
Well, that's what he lives for.
Ooh. Misses with the knee drop, and maybe there was some significant damage. You saw the wincing on the face of Jay Bradley.
Yeah, he had to get out of there. Young Thomas Rand has got to get out of there, too.
Well,
look at this matchup right here. Here's the thing about Sage. Brother's crazy, but he is not afraid of nothing.
Goes to the legs. Oh, and after Tommy Rand now, brings Tommy Rand into the ring.
Sage is either crazy or goofy. I don't know which. Maybe a little bit of both, but he ain't scared of nothing.
Single leg drop kicks on Wrecking Ball Legursky. Unable to take the big man down.
Maybe 10 more of those will do it.
Yeah,
coming off the
50.
ropes.
Oh, he is kind of slowly chopping him down a little bit.
He's putting all of his weight into everything he's doing right now.
Sage going up top.
Come on.
Flying through. Oh, no.
Yeah, that was fun while it lasted.
But Tommy Rand trips him up.
What a move.
Simple and effective offense by the Slimeballz.
I don't think anyone's more surprised at work than Tommy Rand.
Coming not pop up. Oh, no. Wade landed on his feet.
No, Jay Bradley.
Oh, Jay Bradley's got him. Jay Bradley's got him.
Oh, I
holding him by the
what was happening
belt.
there.
Yeah, that was great.
Well, he snuck down there and held on to him in the corner. He snuck down so Fritz couldn't see him. I don't think Fritz would have saw him anyway, but you know my opinion on that.
Well,
but he still, he disguised it. I mean, what are you going to say? Jay Bradley's a veteran.
Absolutely. Fantastic tag team professional wrestlers and knows how to cut all the corners he can without the referee seeing it.
And Legursky working on the pancreas of Sage right there.
I hope he doesn't need those organs.
Tag. Here comes the boss, taking his time coming in. Scoop and a slam.
Now, you know.
And a splash. Well, Jay Bradley, there's the knee drop he was looking for earlier.
I thought he was going for the cover, but he wasn't even legal.
Wow, Tommy came down hard on the concrete.
Fritz was too afraid to tell him to get out. He just laid on him until Bradley showed up.
He's melting with his old age, Jay Bradley, isn't he?
Yeah. mellowed it just a little bit.
He's meaner than ever.
Old boomstick. Look at him.
And this might be just elemental at this point.
Yeah, he's I told you, Sage ain't afraid of nothing. But like I said, I don't know if that's guts or just not knowing.
I think it's time to take him to Wrecking Ball City right about now.
Oh, no. Oh, Wrecking Ball.
Wow. Raw power.
Who eats
wait.
ways.
Trying to get the pin. And Legursky just too powerful. And again, pulling it. Oh, but wait a minute. Counter by Sage. Counter by Sage.
They caught him in the eye with the corner of his elbow.
Sage going up. Trying to make the tag. He's covered. It's the gooey guillotine. The gooey guillotine. Trying to make Wrecking Ball Legursky pass out. He doesn't have it all the way connected.
No.
Oh, paid for it.
He definitely put him down, though. He picked him up and put him down.
Bradley with a big boot, and again, Tommy Rand collapsing to the apron.
Jeez.
Oh, look at, wait a minute. The Fixers. Coming in. Boom.
Okay.
But Tommy was there, going after the injured knee of Jay Bradley.
Yeah, well, you better turn around because Wrecking Ball.
Oh no, the Fixers colliding with each other.
Tommy's calling for, whoa, okay.
Tommy all the way to the outside. Trying to bait in Wrecking Ball Legursky. Wait, it's Carson! It's Carson! What's he doing? What is going on with Carson?
They're done. They're not wrestling these Neanderthals.
Okay.
They're not fixers. We don't even know her. I'm told that Carson Drake has made physical contact with the Slimeballs. Therefore, the Fixers have been disqualified. The winner of this match, the Slimeballs.
What a genius move by Carson Drake. What a genius move by Carson Drake.
Explain that to me one more time.
Because Carson made physical contact with Sage. Let's take a look at this replay right here. There you see it, Carson Drake grabbing onto the arm of Sage Chance, and that's what the official called for the disqualification. I can't believe it.
You just got the Fixers disqualified. The Fixers got the Fixers disqualified. What are you talking to me? Carson Drake is a saint. Fist bump. You don't know where they've been. Yeah, no.
We do have some big announcements when it comes to the main event of Looks That Kill in Dothan, Alabama. Let's go to it.
May Valentine, NWA faithful, there comes a time in this company where I must make the right decision. There comes a time in this company where I must restore order. What we've seen from Tom and EC3, your NWA World's Heavyweight Champion and your former NWA World's Heavyweight Champion, it's not something I can abide by. So in Dothan, Alabama, we're not going to have just one cage match. We're going to have two. EC3, Tom Latimer, for the NWA World's Heavyweight Championship. But also, Tiffany Nieves, Natalia Markova. This must end, and it will end in Dothan.